You can work on your notes with others in real time using the collaboration feature in Apple Notes. To get started, go to the share icon on the main toolbar. Then choose Collaborate on the drop-down menu. Below it, you can set the permissions to determine who has access to your documents. This can either be only the people that you invite or anyone with a link to your notes. You can also control who edits the notes. And for that, you also have two options where you allow everyone to edit your document or only allow them to read it without editing. Lastly, you can tick or untick the option for others to invite other people to your notes if you want to control who gets invited to work on your notes. This option is only available if you're sharing with specific people, meaning only people you're inviting can see your notes, and they also have the ability to edit them. The option disappears when you change any of these two. The best way to share notes you're collaborating on is via messages. So that's the one we're going to use. Once you start collaborating, you can see everyone's cursor when they're typing. It can help you follow along, but if you find that distracting, then you can turn it off. See, the cursor has disappeared. But I can still see Uncle Dan typing. The person icon has more collaboration options. You can message anyone you're working with on the document. And Messages automatically creates a thread under the notes. You can also audio or video call anyone using FaceTime. Apple Notes tracks all the updates made in your absence. At the moment, we're all caught up, so there's nothing here. But let's close the app and have Uncle Dan make some changes so we can see how that looks. Now the app is showing that Uncle Dan made some changes. And we can view these changes that he made at 3:18. You can also see all the activity in the app. And Apple Notes tells you who did what and when they did it. It's pretty much the same as the previous option. This only works on typed notes though, not on handwritten notes. So if we made some changes right now, see, these are the changes we just made. And the app is not picking those handwritten changes in the handwriting section. So it's best to use this for typed notes. Show highlights marks the changes on the left side of the screen. You can bring this up by simply swiping to the right and hide it by swiping to the left. Tapping on the participant's name focuses on that change and dims everything else. When you manage shared notes, you get the same permissions that you get when you first share the notes. And tapping on a person's name will give you similar options. You can also view their contact information, copy their email, or stop sharing the notes with that person. You can also hide alerts for your notebook so you don't receive updates and information every time something changes. Finally, to share the link for your notebook so anyone can access it, go to the share icon and copy the link that you can then paste anywhere you want. And that is all about collaboration in Apple Notes on macOS.